Welcome to Malindi K Expeditions, a story of the sea. From a salvaged sunken vessel to her restoration and adventures beyond the horizons. Feel free to subscribe and follow the journey.
Suiting up, guys. What reef are we on, Desmond?
We're in the Dingo Reefs.
The Dingo Reef.
Yeah, out directly east of Bowen. Just having a look around.
And there's our boat, way over there. Long way away. Amanda's getting her gulch on. It's weight on. Getting towed.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe tell us up there or something. Is there stuff that way?
Yeah, that's all the reef.
Oh, that's it. Hey, look. Why don't I go down this edge here and go down?
He's on. He's got a fish. Put your rod down. I wondered why he let go.
Watch out for your head. What did you shoot?
Just on the side till we let go.
Throw him up. Throw him in.
Fish on it.
Yeah, wind that other one up, though. Wind that other one up, it'll sink.
It's not as big as we thought originally.
No, he's just tired. He's coming with you.
I can feel it kicking. Whoa!
Probably going to be this tiny little thing.
There's your
You wanted a tuna, Bronny?
No!
wind up. Hold it now, hold it. Hold it now.
Need in there.
We'll chance it. There we go.
Well done, Bronny. Fish on.
Fish on!
The girls are doubled up.
Beautiful!
Alright, we'll get some knives and cut some throats.
Nice work, Bronny.
Yay!
Nice work, Amanda.
It's alright. I'll just get the knife and I'll cut them.
So check out this water. Absolutely amazing. It's just blasting out. Okay, so we finally found an anchorage for the night, which is pretty amazing.
So we've just dropped at a new anchorage out here on the Great Barrier Reef, and we've come into this little enclosure of reef. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see out there, but it is absolutely stunning.
How excited are we?
Very! Yay! Sandy bits!
So excited.
Oh, Desmond. You're coming in.
Bronny, how'd you go swimming with your first sharks?
Not good. I didn't like it. I was on the coral.
There was two.
The first one was fine. The little one, but not the big one. Not the big one.
Oh, we
I was
live to
yelling-
tell the
I
tale.
was yelling out to Des, come get us, come get us. No, you're fine.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. So in here, there's a lagoon,
Maybe it's the...
which is where Bonnie and I swim with the sharks.
Was it really clear?
Amazing. This coral here.
Wow, look at that bombing. Oh, look at that edge. You're not going to get Brent out of the water, I don't think.
found him.
It's pretty deep down there.
Yeah. Oh, this is heaven. It's quiet, it's peaceful. Oh, that's a great shot.
So clean here.
You can see this up here.
That's amazing.
How'd you go, Dale?
Yeah,
Yeah?
it's awesome.
Diving with sharks?
Hey,
Diving with sharks?
heaps of sharks.
Yeah?
Oh no.
Sorry.
Extremely.
This went flat, but that big trout, I got him.
Did you?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we've got to go.
Wow,
Extremely
Prince
shallow.
going again.
far out. I just gotta have a quick look.
Holy shit, look at that down there.
Oh,
Holy
wow.
crap.
Oh my god.
Yeah, my GoPro's flat, unfortunately.
Look, it goes right along here. Dale, it's a bit shallow there, but we're right. But it's like this big. What was that? Was that heaven?
Mackerel
Oh.
over there. Mackerel over there.
It's fucking amazing. Look at that, something's in the water over there, look.
Oh, out beyond that.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That's a fucking cracker of a trout.
That's nuts!
Pull the spear out.
Watch out, shallow, shallow. Just literally got it, Brent. This big shark was just over here.
Will he fit?
He's
Yeah,
in.
nearly.
He's in.
Well done, Desmond.
Alright, need the
Now hold
pliers.
yours up. Now hold yours up.
Ooh, shit, mate.
I can't see. Turn it on.
Alright, I need those pliers. Here we go. Stop looking, everybody.
Are you gonna let him go?
Fucking oath.
He's going to try and let himself go.
Settle, Gretel. Oh, it's in his mouth.
Trying to help you, mate.
Alright. I'll still. Oh, you got 3 fucking hooks in there, you bastard. You got 3 hooks in you.
He's hungry.
Fuck
So
yeah.
they have a smell about them, those trout.
There
I
you
can
go.
smell it. Good job. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Amazing.
Hang on, hang on. Ready?
Righto, here we go.
Hang on.
Boys and their fish.
How'd you go, Dale?
Huh?
How'd you go?
Yeah, that's a world record.
Yeah, yeah.
It's my record anyway.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a stonker of a fish.
Yeah, that is cool.
Righto.
So what we have prepared, the girls caught tuna the other day.
Bronny
So-
caught tuna.
Well, Bronny caught tuna.
Yeah.
And what we're trying, and we've been taught by the master, is my daughter-in-law Beck, is we cut the tuna, and I've overcooked it obviously. We cut the tuna into big chunks. We roll it in sesame seed and cook it, flash fry it in sesame seed oil, and then cut it into strips. So basically, I will find you one that you get it nice and pink in the middle, but flash fried on the outside, right? So that's our tuna. Now what we're going to do with that tuna is we're going to pick it up like that. Hang on. And we're going to drop it in some soy sauce. Soak it in soy sauce.
Ginger.
And then we're going to stick a bit of ginger on it, and usually some wasabi. And this is the way we eat it, with salad, and we've chucked a few chips on as well.
Beautiful. What's the verdict?
It's good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.